Hey homeowners, and welcome back to your favorite channel, MF Home TV. And first of all, I just want to say thank you for so much for all those heartwarming, heart-melting comments on our videos. It makes my heart melt. Ooh, thank you so much. I hope you guys have learned so much that you can be your very own interior designers for your home. Anyways, let's go back to work and welcome this week's episode. Top 5 decorating mistakes and how to fix them. It was great at the very start. Hands on each other. Couldn't stand to be far apart. Closer together. First common mistake we make is when we place an additional chair, be it in the living room or in our bedroom, and it's always alone and lonely. It's cozy and people will surely sit on it, but what in the world will they do there? Of course, your space is not a waiting area in a bus stop, so it should always be functionality over form. Whenever you have a comfortable place to sit on, always make sure that there is either 3 things. 1, a side table to place drinks. 2, a floor lamp for lighting when you read a book. Or 3, another chair so 2 people can have a conversation. Fix this mistake and remember, every chair should have a friend. 'Cause you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. Now baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. You know, there is a phrase or a saying that they use at supermarkets. They say that eye level is the buy level, meaning that items at the eye level are actually more likely to be sold. So, in the middle, guys. This also applies to decorating. We might not be selling anything from our own homes unless it's a garage sale, but we still want things to be noticed. I mean, diba, we spent money on it, so why not? A mistake we usually make is that we hang our wall art too high or too low. For a group of wall art, simply just imagine them as one art. What? Seriously? Kakanta pa ba ako? I don't know any more songs about heights. Ano ba yung mga songs about heights? Wala nang songs about heights. So, sorry, hindi na kakanta. Bye guys, bye. Powers turned on. Starting from now, I'll be strong. This is my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I got a lot of fire left in me. Di talaga related sa topic. Gusto ko na talaga kumanta. So, oh no! Welcome! Top 3 mistake is placing all the books on your shelf vertically and then pushing it all the way back. I mean, it's fine when it's the library area of your home, but when it also counts as decor, like the shelf in your living room or a bookcase in your room where other people can see it, don't just place the books vertically, but also horizontally. Add some other decors to vary the heights and to bridge the gaps. And this way, your house won't look like a library. Voila! Can you see that I'm the one who understands? You've been here all along, so why can't you see? You belong with me. You belong with me. You know, the number 1 destroyer of living room setups that I see all the time is the rug or the carpet. Sometimes it's too big or too small for your living room furniture. It's either all legs inside the carpet or all the front legs. If you can't put either, that rug or carpet is too small for your furniture. Carpets or rugs should be pulling the room together, making a set of furniture as one. It should never, ever look like a bath mat. I mean, look at the difference, people. Come on, look at the difference. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Never be enough. Never. Curtains should sit just right above the window and should fall just right below it. It's not enough. It actually makes your place smaller. Even if you have a big window, wrong curtain placement makes it shrink. The curtain should also not fall just right below the window frame or drop and drag on the floor. The former makes your space awkward and the latter collects dust. It should hover just enough that it's kissing the floor. And that's it. Joke, may pabonus pa kami actually. You know, plants are always on the outside, so why not bring them in? And I mean the real ones. Houseplants are good for your health. Studies show that they freshen up the air and eliminate harmful toxins. They improve productivity and concentration, reduce your stress levels, and boost the good vibes. But you have to make sure sunlight should reach where you place them, and you don't forget to water them every day. If this is too much responsibility for you, then you can go ahead and get artificial greenery. You still get plus for aesthetics, but minus on all the healthy stuff. Yay, we are done, and I am done with the singing. This is Bianca for MF Home TV, inspiring your home.
Congratulations to last week's winner.
Here's this week's prize. Can't you see that I'm the only...